Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start activity 4. The algebraic identity a plus b whole cube. So the objective of this activity is to verify the algebraic identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Then materials required for this activity are acrylic sheets, adhesive or adhesive tape, scissors, geometry box, cutter. Then prerequisite knowledge: concept of cuboid and its volume, concept of cube and its volume. So theory behind this activity. So this is the figure of a cuboid showing its vertices, edges and faces. Properties of cuboid. In a cuboid there are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. So corners are also known as vertices. Opposite faces of a cuboid are equal and parallel. The line segment joining the opposite vertices of cuboid is called the diagonal of the cuboid. There are 4 diagonals in a cuboid which are of equal length. Volume of a cuboid is LBH. L is the length, B is the breadth and H is the height. Then properties of cube. In a cube there are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices same as cuboid. All the 6 faces of a cube are of congruent square faces. Each edge of a cube have of same length. Volume of a cube is equal to a cube, where a is the side of a cube. Then procedure. First, cut 6 squares of equal side A units from acrylic sheet. Paste all of them to form a cube by using adhesive tape or adhesive. So this figure 3 is a cube having dimension A unit. Then cut 6 squares of equal side B units where B is less than A from acrylic sheet. Paste all of them to form a cube by using adhesive tape or adhesive. So figure 4, this figure shows a cube having dimension B unit. Then also cut 12 rectangles of length A units and breadth B units and 6 squares of side A units. Paste all of them to form a cuboid. So these are the 3 cuboids having dimension A and B, and each have volume A square B cubic unit. Then cut 12 rectangles of length A unit and breadth B unit and 6 squares of side B units. Paste all of them to form a cuboid. So these are the 3 cuboids having dimension A, B and B, and each have volume A B square cubic unit. Then now we have 2 cubes and 6 cuboids. So arrange the cubes obtained in figure 3 having volume A cube unit and figure 4 and the cuboids obtained in figure 5 and figure 6 one by one as follows. So here in this figure A cube volume has combined with A square B. So here another cuboid having volume A square B also joined. Then one by one we will join all the figures. So these are the steps how all the cuboids and cubes join together to form another solid figure. So in each step, so red colored solid figure, cube or cuboid are joining. So in this step, the cuboid having volume AB square has joined in the back side. Then in this step, the cube having volume B cube has joined at the top back side. And here also the cuboid having dimension AAB or volume A square B has joined at the back side. So here in this step, the last cuboid having volume AB square cubic unit joined in the last top back side, the red colored part that is joined in the last step to complete the figure. So we got here a cube having A plus B unit dimension. So this is a complete cube having dimension A plus B unit. So here the final figure is like this. So we obtain the solid that is a cube of side A plus B. So in figure 7, this is the complete cube having dimension A plus B unit. So then come to demonstration. First in figure 3, we got a cube having volume A cube. In figure 4, volume of cube of side B unit is B cube. And in figure 5, volume of a cuboid of dimension A into B is equal to A square B cubic unit. So volume of all three such cuboids are 3 A square B. Then in figure 6, volume of a cuboid having dimension A into B units, that is the volume is AB square cubic unit. So volume of all three such cuboids are 3 AB square. In figure 7, we have obtained the cube of side A plus B unit. So volume of final cube we got, that is A plus B whole cube. So therefore volume of cube in figure 7 is equal to volume of cube of figure 3 plus volume of cube of figure 4 plus volume of 3 cuboids of figure 5 plus volume of 3 cuboids of figure 6. So this implies A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3ab square. So that is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So this gives volume is in cubic units. So we got the result. The algebraic identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube has been verified. Thank you.